A helicopter flying over our heads, spraying 8 different chemicals that are known to cause cancer is not my idea of keeping it healthy.
I have traveled all over the state of Oregon, working with communities who have reached out to Beyond Toxics regarding their worries and concerns about environmental pollution. Beyond Toxics is about to celebrate our 20th anniversary of doing environmental justice work. I want to thank you all for supporting us during the month of June, which is Mountain Rose Herbs Gift Match Campaign. We're so grateful to them because when you donate, they will match your donation dollar for dollar up to $5,000, and that makes a big difference to Beyond Toxics. We are contacted by folks throughout the state who ask us to come into their communities, work with them hand in hand to solve the problems that are impacting their health, polluting their water, and fouling their air. I've had desperate calls from parents who arrived in a park to play with their family, only to find that the trails they wanted to walk on and the grass they wanted to play on had just been sprayed or was being sprayed at that moment. We've been down to Jackson and Josephine County countless times, working with rural communities around the issue of aerial herbicide spray. They know that this herbicide drifts and gets into their drinking water, gets onto their organic farms, and can even settle down on schools and homes. We've been out there many years working on this issue and bringing their voices to be heard in our state capital.
Fresh air, clean water, good people, healthy people. That's what it's about. We're talking about environmental justice.
Beyond Toxics took on this work 20 years ago because we knew at that point that people of color, women, and children are the ones who are most impacted by pollution, the ones who are most harmed. But now, with COVID-19 and the pandemic, the whole world has become aware of the unjust and the disparate impacts of pollution on people of color, particularly African Americans and the Latino American community. This is something that must be addressed immediately, and our environmental justice movement building is the way to do it. I want to thank all of our supporters, all of our members for joining with us during this month of June. Thank you, Mountain Rose Herbs. Thank you, folks out there, for supporting environmental justice and the impactful work of Beyond Toxics.